Hi guys, so I'm just going to do a quick little video about my Alucab 3.1 tent. Got it set up here on the Toyota Sequoia. On the left there I've got an awning mounted, and on the right I've got like a shower cubicle. And I'll set the tripod here and show you guys how it sets up. Might be better. There we go. Okay, so I usually keep the ladder up in the roof, up in the tent, but I had it down from when I gave it a clean, so I just chucked it in the back seats. So I'll show you guys how I do it if the ladder is inside. So first of all, I'll just come around, climb up onto the rear bumper. Got a padlock on one side. And then just a pin on the other. And it's that easy. I would then just climb up on the back tire, grab the ladder, pull it out, and I'd be at this point here. Hook it on, and you'd be ready for bed. Camp's all set up. It's big enough that you can keep everything inside. I'll show you inside now. So, okay, let's do a little walk around like this. There's an awning on this side, and there's an awning on the back. Can be set up. I rarely used it. I don't think I've ever really used it in a rain situation or anything. It's coated in pollen. It's spring here in Oregon and just rains pollen. Only washed it 2 days ago. All right, let's have a look inside. The mattress has never been used. I prefer to just use like backpacking air mattresses. Reduce the weight, can also fit more stuff in here. The reason why I got it, we built it up for a cross-country trip, and my wife's little sisters joined us, and they slept up here. So they kept all their clothes, everything. They used their pouches for all their gadgets, and had all their clothes stuffed in here, multiple pillows, multiple blankets, and yeah, we just managed to keep them contained in here. So yeah, you've got the pockets there, and you've got an electrical outlet tucked down in that corner, which I'll show you when I climb in. And there is a light. Let me see if I can reach. And there is a light. Oops. Yeah, here it is. There's a light up there, which you can power to your mains. And then run that directly to an auxiliary battery or something via the outlet in the corner. Let's see if I can climb in. Yeah, got the outlet. Where are we? Yeah, it's like 2 cigarette plugs and 2 USB plugs in there. And they use this cord here, which plugs in from the outside, that's wired to the inside. And then it powers those. And also, there's a light switch. Where is it? Is it on this one? Or is it over here? Yeah, there's a light switch down here. They've tucked away under there, so you can use that as your main light, but honestly, we never even bothered. Like, we're camping, we just use headlamps. But if you wanted to, the option's there. So, full Mozzie screens on all 3 doors fully open. And then you've got your vent up there that lets out the warmer, humid air, keep you nice and dry. It's double skinned, so that acts thermally, keep you warmer, and also helps condensation and so on. Got a bit of insulation. The awnings tuck up inside the canopy there. Can't really see it with the backlight. Maybe that might be better. Tuck up there. I'll put the camera down and set those up in a minute and do a shot with the canopies on. The power outlet comes out and it's sort of tucked under there. See that double power port thing there? The cable plugs in there, and then you run it down through your hatch, and you can plug it into your auxiliary battery or some other additional battery system that you might have set up. Yeah, it's pretty stout, all aluminium built in South Africa. One of the top of the line tents on the market. That's the reason why I got it, because I knew it would hold its value, and looks pretty damn cool as well. Right, let me see if I can get those awnings set up. Show you guys how to do that. Get a decent angle here. Okay, that should work. Once again, I usually keep the spring legs for the awnings inside the tent. That comes in a little bag. Velcro straps holding it up here. Gotta remember how to do this, I haven't done it in so long. Okay, how do we do this again? Right, so carabiner clips on to here. Little plastic tab clips on to here. And then one of these. The hook end goes into the awning, and the straight end goes like that. Oh, is that still done up? Let me see if I can. There we go. And then tension this strap here. And then that just needs to sort of relax. Velcro on this side goes to the inside of the lip here. And then that should relax. And then I'll do the take my shoes off for this bit. Oh, it's a bit dusty. Oh yeah, go do the zips. So this one zips on both sides. Okay, and then put the hooky end through there, and this one has a slightly different attachment. It's got like a pipe, you just got to flex it in. Might have been better to start the other way. Let's try that with this side. Pop it in there, bend it over, get the tab, pop it in there. That goes down the bottom. It tends to want to roll up, but if you unroll it, it should hold. Okay. So, there's the awnings. Yeah, like I say, I don't use them much, and they're all sort of creased up and not flattened out, but with some heat of the sun, under a bit of tension for a while, they should straighten out a little bit. Yeah, that'll keep the rain off, the sun off. It's a pretty sweet setup, like I say. We used it traveling across country. It was a 5,000 mile trip all in all. West coast to east coast and back via Chicago. Trans-America Trail to get out there, and then Chicago and highways on the way back. It worked really well. We were camping in a different spot almost every night. Like I showed you, it takes just a couple of minutes to set up. You're ready for bed, which is pretty nice after a long day of driving.